In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing do-it-by-yourself wood carving ideas. I hope you will enjoy our video. Wood carving is a beautiful and a rewarding aspect of woodworking that allow you to create intricate and the beautiful pieces. Here are some woodworking ideas for wood carving and the wood project. Create a relief carving on a wooden panel featuring nature scenes such as trees, animals, and the landscapes. Carve a decorative pattern or the motif onto a wooden box or a picture frame. Create small wooden sculptures such as animal figures or the abstract shapes. Carve a totem pole with a various symbol and the figure stacked on the top of each other. Carving wood spoon with an intricate handle and the patterns. Create a beautiful wooden sculpture, ladle, or a sled server with a decorative carving. Carve decoration element for furniture such as table leg, chair back, or bed spots. Add an ornament carving for wooden modeling or the trim for a custom look. Carve a wooden mask with the intricate facial features and the details to create a series of small faces carving with different expressions and aspects. Carve a walking stick with nature-inspired design such as vine, leaves, and animals. Create a custom cane with a carved handle featuring an animal or the symbolic designs. Carve personalized wooden sign with family name, codes, and the house numbers. Add relief carving to sign for 3 testimonial effects. Carve a custom chairs with a unique design for each chess pieces. Use different type of wood for contrasting color and the textures too. Carve a beautiful decorative details on a wooden birdhouse such as flower, vines, or birds. Create a themed birdhouse such as a rustic cabin or maintain a castle. Carve intricate pattern on a wooden plate or bowls. Combine carving with the wooden burning for added details and the contrast. Which list of small intricate figures such as animal faces and the methodologies, creature and the mythical creature. Create a set of decorative keychain with a personalized design. Create a wooden garden ornament such as gnomes and the butterflies. Remember to start with the appropriate tools such as carving knives, chisels, and the gauges, and practice safety precaution. Additionally, choose the right type of wood for your project can greatly impact the final result. Always consider the grain, hardness, and the working capability of the wood you are using. The carve expression faces, and expressive faces onto tree stems and the old branches to create a whimsical tree spirits. Allow the natural contours to the wood to guide the facial features for the harmonious effect. Carve character from a classical literature, fairy tales onto wooden panels or the blocks. Create a series of character and arrange them to tell visual stories. Carving intricate Catholic knot pattern onto a wooden plank or the boxes. Combine different knot design to form a larger and the cohesive pattern. Explore Japanese woodworking techniques such as keshiki, landscape carving, carve a scene of nature like mountain, rivers, and the trees inspired by the traditional Japanese art. Craft unique wooden pendants or earrings with a delicate and intricate carving. Experiment with different type of wood to achieve a contrasting colors and the textures. Carve design onto a reclaim and the repurposed wood such as old furniture or the pallet. Transform discarded pieces onto a functional and the rustic item. Crave decorative details on the body of wooden instrument like guitar or the ukulele. Personalize the instrument with the custom carving that reflect the player and the styles. Create a mask with the cultural influence and the abstract design. Hang the mix on the wall for a striking display of wooden artistry. Experiment with the inlay techniques by embedding different type of wood and the materials onto a piece of the woods. Create an intricate pattern or the pictures with intricate design. Woodworking techniques similar to a wooden jigsaw puzzles. Challenge yourself by carving an intricate and beautiful pattern onto a wooden eggs. Gradually progress to carving intricate design on wooden chairs, shapers of varying size. Crave a marine life shapes and ciphering symbols onto a wooden planks or the driftwood. Create a set of coastal themed craved for a beach inspired collections. Remember, each project is an opportunity to improve your carving skill and express your creativity. Consider combining different carving techniques and style to make your creation truly unique and admirable. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your imagination guide your carving details in a beautiful way. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. So do subscribe our YouTube channel for more. Thank you so much.